Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by understanding why your shoulders raise and how to assess them properly. Raised shoulders often come from stress, desk work, or weak lower traps. Stand with your back against a wall for 30 seconds and observe shoulder height relative to the wall. Check your ear position and note if the ear sits more than 2 inches ahead of the shoulder. Also test for tightness by gently shrugging and feeling for knots above the collarbone. Record a baseline photo and pain level to track progress over the next 4 weeks. Begin daily mobility with a doorway pec stretch to open the chest and drop shoulders. Place forearm on the door frame and step forward. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times per side, twice daily. Follow with a gentle neck lateral stretch for 20 seconds, 3 reps per side, avoiding any sharp pain. Add scapular depressions by consciously sliding the shoulders down about 2 inches and holding for 10 seconds. Perform 8 controlled reps. These mobility moves reduce tightness and prepare you for strengthening work later in the session. Rebuild shoulder control by strengthening the lower traps and mid-back muscles. Do prone Y raises for 3 sets of 12 reps, twice weekly, focusing on scapular movement rather than arm elevation. Include face pulls with band resistance, performing 3 sets of 15 reps and keeping elbows high and external rotation. Change daily ergonomics by setting your screen at 16 to 18 inches from your eyes with the top at eye level. Finally, practice posture checks hourly and reset shoulders down and back for 10 seconds each time to reinforce new motor patterns.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.